In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount code in Gumroad. First, you'll want to be logged into your Gumroad account. From there, head over to your main dashboard. This is your home base, where you see an overview of your products, sales, and other key settings. At the top or side menu of this page, look for the option labeled Checkout and click on it. This is where Gumroad lets you control everything related to the buying experience, including discounts. Once you're on the checkout page, find the section or tab for discounts. Here, click the button that says New Discount. This opens up the form where you'll set up all the details for your promotion. At the top of this form, you'll see a field for the discount name. Click into that field and type a clear, descriptive name that helps you recognize this discount later, such as Spring Launch 20% or VIP customers. Your buyers won't always see this name, but it's very helpful for staying organized. Next, you'll see a field for the actual discount code. This is the text your customers will type in at checkout, for example, Spring 20. Click into this field and create a code that's easy to remember and fits your campaign. If you don't want to come up with one yourself, you can click the regenerate icon next to it, and Gumroad will automatically generate a random code for you. Below that, you'll find the products field. Here you decide which products this discount will apply to. You can either pick specific products from the list, which is useful for targeted promotions, or you can check the box for all products if you want the code to work across your entire store. Then, move down to the type section. You can choose between a percentage discount or a fixed amount. If you select percentage, click into the percentage field and enter the number you want, like 10 for 10% off. If you prefer to take off a specific amount, choose fixed amount instead, and then type the exact value, such as 5 for $5 off. In the final section, called Settings, you can fine-tune how this discount behaves. Here you can toggle options to limit how many times the discount can be used, set a validity period with start and end dates, require a minimum order amount, or require a minimum quantity of items before the discount applies. These controls help you avoid over-discounting and run time-limited or quantity-limited promotions. When everything looks good, scroll back up to the top of the page. In the top right corner, click on Add Discount to save it. Your new discount code is now active and